thank you, Wayne, for everything you've done. We love you, man. Hope you get better soon.
Hey, Wayne, I just want to say thank you for everything you do. I'm glad we could help out at this charity event. Me and my team are here, always supporting you. Anything you need, just holler.
Hi, Wayne. I just wanted to say, I really do hope you feel better. I mean, this film, I hope it comes out well, man. Everybody came out together. You know, just it really shows you what one community can do for each other, you know. And you're in our prayers, man. We're all here for you. So don't lose faith, man.
What up, Wayne? It's Chris Floyd. You're an OG. If it wasn't for you, the DFW car scene wouldn't be what it is today. And we thank you for all of your support and making a lot of this stuff happen. We're all out here for you. We care about you, and we wish you have a fast recovery, man. Much love.
Yeah, get well soon, Wayne. Hope to see you soon.
Buddies for a long time, man. This whole thing's for you. Definitely appreciate all the support you showed me, Nemisis, the car scene over the years. And if you need anything, definitely just reach out to us. But I'm glad we're able to all come together and help you out in this time of need. And man, we wish you well.
Hey Wayne, thank you for being a big part of the car community, especially here in Dallas. This is Alvin from Import Freight. Thank you so much.
We just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for coming out. Thank you for having such a great time. Everyone was amazing, and hope you guys enjoy the video. man, aren't you someone famous?
What's going on, brother?
Hey, what's up? High five.
High five, brother.
Where did I see you before?
Oh, dude, a little Netflix show.
A little Netflix show? No. Apparently, you were some a-hole, but in reality, you're a nice guy.
It's all right.
You're such a nice guy. It's like what, my third time meeting you, I think.
It says it right here. I flex this.
I also want to say thank you for everyone coming out. All the teams, everyone that donated, everyone had a fun time. As you can see, everyone's cleaning up. It's the end of the day. Thank you.